Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Cora. Thanks for dropping in. As you can see from my background, I'm actually on a cruise. We're on a Mediterranean cruise right now for my birthday. Happy 21st birthday to me. Just kidding. Not 21, obviously. So we actually started off over in Athens, Greece. So while we were in Athens, I actually stopped over into a Louis Vuitton store to go ahead and get myself a little birthday present, and I have it right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing or an unbagging. So here it is. I don't know if you can guess what I got. Maybe it's obvious, maybe it's not, but let's go ahead and open this up. As you can see, it is the on-the-go MM side. And this is in the monogram canvas with reverse monogram canvas. Isn't it gorgeous? It was actually on my wish list and I decided to go ahead and get it while we're here in Athens. Well, actually, it's actually one of the bags that was available that was on my wish list. And here it is. So I'm going over the dimensions on this. This one's about 13.8 inches, 10.6 inches, and here on the side it is 5.5 inches. And let's just go ahead and look how beautiful the colors are. This is the reverse monogram right here. Right here is the reverse monogram as well. And this is the regular monogram canvas. And also right here is the regular monogram canvas in the giant LV monogram. There are two grab handles up here, and you can tell, reverse monogram canvas on each handle. And then inside there is the red textile lining. And what I love about this is that has the grab handles and it does have the shoulder straps. So this one does have the black leather shoulder straps. And then inside, the closure is a D-ring closure. There are two flat pockets inside. I'll go ahead and show that to you. And there is also a zippered pocket as well, which is nice to have. And here is, just got the tags on this one inside the pocket here. And this one is actually made in France. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it up on the screen. I got this one in Athens, Greece, so I paid in euros for it, and the price in euros was 2,100 euros. And in the States, where obviously where I buy my other LV bags or Louis Vuitton purses, it is currently the price of $28.40. So doing the conversion, I actually got this a bit cheaper than I would get it in the States. And I also will be getting a tax refund on it, and I believe the number that they gave me was 277 euros. So obviously the price of this, buying it overseas, is actually going to be cheaper than if I was to have bought it in the States. But it is beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and do on the body shots.